Right, question number 3, June 2012. An expansion question. You have to expand x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 and square it. When you've got a square bracket, if you need to, make sure that you write the bracket out twice so that you know what's multiplying by what. Takes 10 seconds. Don't be lazy. So, crab's claw, foil, whatever you use, you need to multiply that one by that one first. When you multiply indices, you add them, so that's x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2. 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 is 6 over 2. 6 over 2 is 3, so that's x cubed. That one times that one is minus x to the power of 3 over 2, and that one times that one is x to the power minus x to the power of 3 over 2. And then lastly, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Collect your terms if you can, which you can here. You've got two of these things, two of anything, minus 1 minus the other thing, they're the same thing. So you get two of those plus 1. And that is that expanded. Question B asks you to integrate that. So integrate the thing that you've already expanded. So we need to integrate x to the power of 3 minus 2x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 with respect to x. When you integrate, you add 1 to the power and divide by the new power, remember? So you do minus 2x. When you add 1 to 1.5 or 3 over 2, that's 2.5, which is 5 over 2. So remember to go the right way. Divided by 5 over 2 plus x plus c. Don't forget your plus c. Alright, try not to leave a fraction in a fraction. If you want to do 2 divided by 5 over 2 on your calculator, you can, because you've got the use of that. You should know the fraction rules, that when you divide by a fraction, the second fraction turns upside down. So that turns into a 2 times 2 over 5, which is 4 over 5. So it's easy that that one just times is upstairs by that one, so you get the 4 over 5, which is x to the power of 5 over 2 plus x plus c. And that should be your final answer for question B. Question C asks you to integrate it between two values of 1 and 4. So use your square brackets here to show the examiner what you're trying to do. So it's x to the power, looks like a 9, x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 4 over 5, x to the power of 5 over 2 plus x. You don't need the plus c on this bit, so it's just 4 and 1. Okay, you put your 4 through first. You can use round brackets here. 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So that's 256 over 4 minus 4 to the power of 5 over 2. Remember the flower power rule? That's the power, that's the root. Okay, so flower power, flower on the top, root on the bottom. So if that's a 4, 4 square rooted is 2. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So this thing here is 32. 32 times by 4, double it and double it again. So that's 32 times 4 is 64. So that's 128 over 5 plus 4 minus, and then substitute your 1 through. So that's an easy one. You just put the coefficients of everything. And you're done. All you've got to do is stick it in your calculator. Use brackets, use fraction keys, anything that you need to do to get this answer correct without making mistakes. So it is 256 over 4, move it along, minus 128 over 5, move it along, plus 4, close your bracket, minus, open your bracket, use your fraction buttons again, 1/4, minus, bracket, not bracket, delete, move it along, minus 4 over 5 plus 1 bracket equals, and that's 839 over 20 or 41.95, and that's you done.